Good morning, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Today I have this wonderful package that I received from my dear crafty friend, Ronda A1. And right now I'm cutting off the our address labels, because you know we have to protect each other's privacy, right? But I came home yesterday, looked on my porch, and it was sitting there, and I started to film it last night, and I was like, I was a little tired. But I did rip it open. But here's the problem. When I ripped it open, I stopped myself, because I was like, So I waited until this morning. And you could tell I was excited. I was ripping. I was going in there. I was going in there, okay? But I honestly did not open anything, okay? And so, I got the little notification from USPS, that I was getting something, and I just stopped. I said to myself, now what is she doing? So here's what I got so far, y'all. But let me start my day off with you all by saying, you know what? I hope I don't spill my coffee, dear goodness. It said, life doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful. I want you guys to remember that, okay? It just doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful. That being said, let me see what she sent, because I'm excited. My birthday is tomorrow. Oh, y'all. Already. Y'all look at this card she made me. Do you see this? This is so nice. Look. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, my goodness. Let me see what she wrote. Oh, look. This is just nice. Have a poppin' birthday. Wow. Wow. It's got these, look, this is vellum on here too. This was real creative. This is very nice. This is really, 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 really nice. And then she put it in the sleeve. I love this. All right, let me go ahead and get this Sunday morning started with a craft. All right, first, okay, what is this? This is a box she made. Is this supposed to be on something else? This is probably supposed to be on something. Okay, I'm not going to take it off. Okay, hold on. Well, I've got my X-Acto knife here, so let me see what's going on here. See, I'm trying to open this real gently. There we go. Because it was taped down a little bit. Then she's got some tape on here. Okay. All right. This is nice. I don't know what this is. I like this. This paper is pretty. Y'all. This paper is pretty. Okay. I was saying, so, girl, if you don't open it up. But it's pretty to me. At some point in time, I might want to try to. Now, if you notice, I've sent out a few Happy Meals. I certainly was not anticipating or thinking of receiving anything myself. Yep. Okay. Oh, look, y'all. This is nice how she put this on here. Look. This is really nice. This is nice, Rhonda. And it's going to be going in my bag because I have to do a little travel this week. Love it. Love it. I love it. And I love how she packaged it. You see how I saved some of this, right? Okay. Everyone, please excuse me. All right. This paper is pretty. This is pretty. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay. Move this over to the side right here. mail kind of bent whatever it is up a little bit, but oh, look. Oh, wow. Okay. Now, y'all, this is cute. I like this. Look, wait a minute. What is this? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, so she sent me the notebook. I think I had hauled one of these, and you know what? I'm glad because I have something in mind for this. I just can't say it just yet. This is nice. I believe it or not, I think I picked up one of these yesterday, but I'm glad I found this. Okay, hold on. She took this. Y'all look, she printed this on here. She printed this on here. Amazing idea. Wait a minute. There's something in here. Let me read this so I can see what I'm... So this is a quick little birthday present for me. She figured that I would alter something, and she's right. Look, y'all, look. And she's right. She's absolutely correct. So hold on, let me put this here to the side. And then this is neat. This is the pouch that we've been picking up from Hobby Lobby. Do you all see how she has beautifully altered that? Oh no. Oh. Oh. This is so sweet. Where in the world she found this is beyond me. But then we are crafters, right? We find stuff everywhere, right? But this is just, look at this. This is so neat. This is a nice, wonderful, pleasant surprise, Rhonda. And I appreciate it, and I appreciate you and everyone. If you are not supporting her channel, please go out there and do so. Rhonda is just phenomenally kind, and she, you know, she's a shopper like us. She likes to do her hauls too. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas. If you would subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again, and most importantly, be good to yourself, I'd greatly appreciate it. Take care.